Let me see. We should get more ice, yes? More
yes,
ice?
we should get
More ice.
More ice, yes?
More ice, yes, because it needs to be very, very cold, because it needs to stimulate Lou Gehrig's disease.
your accent's not the
It
best.
needs to stimulate the freezing of the nerves on the body. Because that's what people with Lou Gehrig's disease go through. That's why we put ice water.
Who started this, by the way?
ALS organization challenged people to simulate the effects of ALS by using ice water to freeze the nerve ends. I don't know who exactly started it, but
It was through ALS.
yes, the water needs to be very, 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 very cold because that's the point.
My backyard looks like freaking gorgeous right now. Woo! Woo!
Ice bucket.
As a boogie.
Well, hopefully it doesn't melt all the ice.
It's not gonna melt the ice.
Ice bucket challenge! Oh! Yeah. All right.
Sit down, Billy. Sit down. Sit down so I can see.
Alright, I was gonna say I was gonna stand and then sit down. That's what I was gonna say.
No.
Tripod might be a better idea.
No, you are sitting. You are sitting.
Stop! You sit.
You sit now.
You sit now.
We ice.
We ice now. Okay, this looks great.
Now
Freezing.
begin the magics.
Okay, so you just say what you're doing, who you're nominating, and then we dump you
Yeah.
in the thing.
Okay, how's it going, guys? My name is Mail Order Vroom. I just got twice nominated for the Ice Bucket Challenge, once by Rosanna Evazian as well as Ray Duenas. I am doing this to raise awareness for ALS, Lou Gehrig's disease, but at this time I'm also raising awareness for the Alzheimer's Association as well. My company is raising funds so we can donate to that as well. They're both debilitating diseases, and we're hoping someday that we can find a way to end those diseases with our money and our awareness. So at this time, I would like to nominate Lance Benares. He's already rejected a proposal once, and so I'm gonna ask him again to take the Ice Bucket Challenge or donate. It's a really good cause. Please do it. I'm also nominating Chris Goldman, the pastor over at Northwest Church, as well as Christopher Walken Wilcox, which is a super fan over at Rat City Roller Girls. So without further ado, my name is Mail Order Vroom. This is the Ice Bucket Challenge. Come on, let's go, go! Ah! Woo! You have 24 hours, go!